Hello, welcome to the Leukopak Lady. For the next few episodes, I will talk about flow cytometry and how it can be used at multiple places during the Leukopak collection workflow to create more predictable, more consistent, and dare I say, more standardized Leukopak products. These episodes are sponsored by Accellix, the makers of a fully automated flow cytometry platform that can deliver immune cell phenotype data in about 30 minutes. So cell therapy developers are looking more and more for data-driven consistency in Leukopaks. One way collection centers can provide this consistency is through well-characterized donors. Donors are screened and qualified for Leukopak collections based on many factors like health status, infectious disease risk, and lifestyle. Using flow cytometry to quantify and document immune cell subsets, such as CD3 positive T cells, NK cells, and other key therapeutic immune cell populations, generates additional information centers can use to identify and qualify donors. This information can help collection centers better align donor selection with developers' specifications. Traditional flow cytometry can be used to identify and screen donors. However, traditional flow requires dedicated lab space and involves complex workflows. Considerable expertise and training is needed to operate and maintain instruments, manually prepare assays, analyze results, and review reports. This makes traditional flow instrumentation and operation difficult for Leukopak collection centers to onboard and integrate into their screening process. However, the Accellix platform can help collection centers screen multiple donors efficiently due to its ease of use, small footprint, and rapid turnaround time. No specialized staff or large lab space is needed. The system's reagent cassette uses fluidics to move the sample automatically through the required reagents and performs the incubations and analysis of the sample without any interference from the operator. The operator simply loads the sample into the cassette and then loads the cassette into the instrument. There are many different reagent cassettes available, including assays for hematopoietic stem cells, PBMC subpopulations, T cell subsets, and even custom cassettes can be developed. The Accellix platform helps collection centers integrate donor screening without complexity. Another application of flow-based donor screening is to establish a donor database. While an individual's immune cell profile can help determine whether they are a fit for a specific collection, having this data available on many donors can help collection centers be more proactive in identifying and recruiting the right donors for screening. A well-annotated donor database can be searched to find the donors that fit developers' requests and match donors to specific therapeutic programs. For example, donors with high NK cells can be reserved and recruited for developers creating NK cell-based therapies. The Accellix platform can help centers create these databases without complexity. Accellix-powered donor screening paired with donor database annotation gives collection centers a competitive advantage. Centers become strategic assets to developers seeking a data-driven approach to donor selection and screening. Centers introduce more predictability to collections, allowing developers to achieve more precision in therapy manufacturing. And centers de-risk the starting material supply chain for developers by building large donor databases within their own centers and across collection center networks. So join me on the next episode for a continuation of this discussion: how flow cytometry can help collection centers better serve the cell and gene therapy industry. I'll discuss the use of pre-collection counting and post-collection product evaluation to help create more predictable and reliable starting materials for developers to use in cell therapy manufacturing. See you then.